Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have any of the following three vehicles, guys: Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Ram ProMaster, guys, with a 2.4 multi-air engine, and even if you have different engine, it still may work for you guys, and you're trying to find out how to disconnect your fuel pressure line, stay with us, guys. We will explain what needs to be done, because if you damage that line, guys, it's expensive to replace, and that's one thing. Second, it's dangerous if you don't replace it and you spill fuel, guys, or fuel line comes loose while you're driving. You can set your car on fire, you can catch on fire, so that could be pretty dangerous, guys. Now we have the engine out of the car. You do not need to remove the engine out of the car to disconnect your fuel line. The only reason we have that engine out is, guys, because we have more than 100 videos on that engine, and we want to show you with a great detail how to fix almost anything on it. Our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Let's start on it and show you what needs to be done to disconnect your fuel line. Now we're going to explain where the fuel line is on the engine and where you can expect to find it on your car. So when you open the hood of your car, okay, you're going to face the engine that way, okay, right here. So let's explain now, guys, okay, what needs to be done. On the back side of the engine, that's where your fuel line will be. The easiest way to remove it, okay, if you work on something, will be to remove that intake manifold, and we have it on the channel, guys, how to do it if you want to, but now we'll be able to even show you that way. You will, guys, need to disconnect that clamp, okay, right here, that holds the two hoses together. And okay, let me start now, guys. Consider this, okay, not a how-to, but an entertaining video, because some of you that are not experienced, I wouldn't recommend. Why? Because that fuel pressure line, okay, it's under enormous amount of pressure. It will spray fuel, it can get in your eyes, it can get on your skin. It's dangerous, guys. Always wear eye protection. In addition, if the engine is hot or you have an open flame spark, you can catch on fire, guys, so you have to be extremely careful and have a fire extinguisher on the place, because you can catch on fire too. So we will not have any pressure because ours is cut line, but otherwise you're going to leak some fuel out here, and you need to make sure you have cold engine, no spark, no open flame or anything like that, no smoking. Now that blue thing, guys, okay, we need to pull it up a little bit. Perfect, until you hear the click. Now gently we're going to turn it, and let me explain now. Okay, I'm going to push the line all the way in, then you need to push that white thing in, press it in, and start pulling the line out. Okay, you want to hold a rag or something so it doesn't spray on you when it comes out, and that's how you guys disconnect it. You can see, just like that. Not very complicated at all, guys. Hopefully the video, guys, will be helpful to any of you trying to do that repair. If it's on the car, guys, okay, it will be right here. You can see this is the fuel line on the back side of the engine. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.